Hi, I'm Cynthia Dunn with Eagle Title. And if you are a seller who no longer lives in the state of Maryland, you might be interested in knowing more about income tax withholding for real estate transactions. The first thing you need to take into consideration is whether or not it was your primary residence for at least 2 out of the last 5 years. If it wasn't your primary residence for the last 2 out of 5 years, then you may be subject to Maryland withholding income taxes. There is an option though for you as a seller that no longer lives in the property to file with the state of Maryland an application to figure out what that tax is going to be. Just like with employees and employers, the employers that withhold income taxes on employees' earnings, sellers that are no longer residents in the state of Maryland are also subject to the withholding requirements. If you fill out the application prior to closing, you can calculate with the state of Maryland whether or not the entire amount of your proceeds is going to be subject to income tax withholding. Only the state of Maryland can let us know as a title company whether or not you're exempt from a portion of that withholding. It's to your advantage to fill out the application in advance, at least 22 days before closing, and that way you get a true calculation as to whether or not you're subject to that withholding. It also applies to those individuals that are a member of the military where it is not their primary residence. You also are subject to filling out that application and getting that exemption in advance of closing. I'm here to help you as a member of Eagle Title. We're all very knowledgeable about how the process works. We want to make sure that you're not subject to any more than you have to. So feel free to reach out to us here at Eagle Title. Again, I'm Cynthia Dunn and I'm here to help. Thanks and have a great day.